and job levels also done. We have seen like the what do you call rule has been triggering based on the job level hierarchy or job level approvals. Now we'll talk about supervisor and then we'll go to position. Supervisor is exactly same of job level, but the thing is there is a, while assigning the approval type, there is a small difference, so that we'll see now, and then we'll go to position hierarchy. So most of the companies, you may ask the question like which what you call approval type they're going to use it, job level or position. So please concentrate on these things which are very very important. And also like 99.99% of approvals will be triggered either a job level or position. Okay, now we'll see the supervisor how we'll do, then later we'll switch to here. Do this, let me open another tab. So go to setup and maintenance. See, whatever I am telling for PR, whatever approval types I have been explaining from past 2 to 3 days. So these rules are common. I mean, this explanation is common for PO side, PR side, suppliers, and what do you call negotiations, all kind of stuff. Okay, so it won't be changed for one module to another module. So the concepts will be whatever we are explaining. These concepts will be remain same, and it will be applicable throughout your procurement module. Not only procurement, even other modules as well, except finance modules. Okay, so go to procurement, approval, requisition approvals. So we'll also see like parallel one particular rule. Now edit rules. So I'm going to say this is the job level. Start with see routing using job level. Now I'll make one more action. Supervisor hierarchy. See here, supervisor hierarchy also same job level how we develop, but here simple change number of approval levels. But here we got like job levels. Here levels means number of approval levels. Either it is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So I'll show the difference. Cancel. If I edit it, minimum job level here. Minimum job level means till which level you are expecting this particular PR has to go. That is minimum job level. If you give 1, only it will go 1. If you give 2, it will go to 2. But here their number of job levels means if I give to 2, it will go to 2 members. If I give 3, 3. If I give 1, it will go to 1. So there is no difference. That is what I am telling. Both are same, but it is slight difference will be there. That's all. Only like while defining, rest of the things are same. Supervisor, preparer, approval chain. And you want to start from request, you can do either preparer. See, if you select the preparer, here you can select even from preparer you need to start or manager. Okay, so I'll go with the requester. Start with managements, like who is the manager for this requester. Number of approvals I'm taking to. Top worker means like a CEO of the company. So we given right more right. That's all. Like that, you have to define your supervisor hierarchy. Your number of approvals will come here, minimum job level will come. That's all. Rest of the things are as is. All right. Now save it. Deploy. Open another tab. This ribbon, I don't know how we'll reduce this one. It's very bigger one. Keep down. Down also fine, but down it is very tough. At least here if we keep, somehow this will be clear, right? Fine, no problem. Okay, now go to setup and maintenance. Okay, where are you going? Sorry, I want to go to transaction screens now. Guys, are you following?
Yeah. So now you're creating a PR now.
Yeah, yes. So PR I am going to create for 0T4. So 0T4 is one of the BU. So why I am not taking June? Because TAD we need to set up. So TAD Monday onwards we need to set up, like next class onwards. So time being, even if you take any BU, there is no change, but time being I'm taking these things. So 0T4 BU, requester, deleted location, and what is the charge code. So these are the preferences. Let's say you have one of the interview they ask, like you have a 3 BUs. Now I want to create the PR in one of the particular BU. So where how we will do? So we have to come to preferences and we need to change for which BU you are trying to create the PR. So once you set up that, then only system will bring that PR, what you call BU, while creating the PR. So that is the way. Now I'm going to take same thing, review. I'll change the some price. Hmm. Once you'll get a throat infection, body become very inactive.
Yeah, you're sitting and talking, everything will be
110. Now save it. I'm not changing anything. And see, this buyer will come once you submit it. Then only this buyer will come. Otherwise, it won't come. Manage approvals will see. See, for PR creation, suppliers are not required. Supplier is optional. Okay. So we don't need to enter any supplier here. And you can see here conversion rate and these things. So whenever your BU, see for example, this BU, the currency is USD, but when you're trying to create other than USD, other than function currency, then this conversion rates will be required. That also will see some at least one PR. See all the directions the peoples are trying to create the PRs. Please, you have to be in a position to know what exactly currency conversion, what is exactly suggested buyer, when it will come, all those, because this is like a depth manner the uh, clients will be using. Please remember. It will take a bit of time. See, now if you see here, these are came from single approver. These are came from approval group. These are came from William Sumati. These are came from what you call, if you can see here, William. Sometimes it will show, sometimes it won't show. Select that. It will show even which is the what you call rule has been triggered. Okay, so these two are came from from where? From supervisor. What I will do is for understanding purpose, let me delete all those things here. Edit rules. Oops. Started. What is this every day, every Saturday happening like this?
I think it's schedule maintenance.
Then we need to change our timings, man, if it is like this. Because I cannot directly take another instance and then do, right? It is like again
Yeah, it is a bit confusing if we take another
confusing.
instance.
Okay, so next week onwards, we'll make it out 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is better. Only Saturdays 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. So otherwise, I may lose one day. Then it will become hectic that syllabus covering.
Yes, that's true. That's true.
Okay. So tomorrow, next week onwards, for Saturdays 9 o'clock. The rest of the 2 days will be as usual 7:30. I cannot proceed, man, because this is important.
Yeah.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. Chalo, we'll talk you next week. I mean, next week means Tuesday.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Chalo, bye bye.